If you trade meme coins on Solana, you need to be using Bonkbot. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to make money trading Solana's fastest Telegram bot, Bonkbot. So here is the website, it's bonkbot.io. I will leave a link in the description. To get started, all you need to do is click on start trading, and this is going to pull it up in your Telegram. If you don't already have a Telegram account, make sure you sign up for one and click on start trading. Now let me just go through the features really quick, and then I'm going to share with you exactly how to set everything up and my strategy for trading these meme coins to make a pretty significant profit. Obviously, in some cases I'm making losses, but you can use Bonkbot just to trade anything on Solana. And again, 100% of the fees here from trading go directly to buying Bonk, and 10% of those fees are instantly burnt with Bonk. So this is a great way to actually help the ecosystem with Bonk and with Solana. Now here are just some of the features that Bonkbot has. You can trade any position, any token. All you need to do is have the token address, paste it into Bonkbot, and it will instantly buy it for you based on the settings that you have put. Now the one thing that I really love about it is the new token alerts, and this is where I'm able to make the most of my money. So when you get started with Bonkbot, you're going to be seeing something like this. And all you need to do is reply with start. They will give you your wallet address, and all you need to do is deposit some Solana to this address. Now, if you ever want to withdraw it, you can withdraw all your Solana to one of your wallets, or you can withdraw X amount of Solana. It totally depends on you. Once you've done that, you want to go down and go to your settings. Now you can read through these to know how all of these settings work, but you can see there is automatic auto buy. So when you immediately paste your token address in, it will automatically buy that for you in a matter of seconds. Now you can also select your slippage and everything like that. So let me go ahead and show you what I've got. I have got the announcements on. As you can see, I have one over here, and I'll go over that in just a second. Make sure you enable auto buy and then select how much Solana you want to buy every single time. Next, you want to set up the buy and sells here, and the sells again, and your slippage. So I do 14 buy and 14 sell because I am sniping these coins as soon as they actually start and as soon as they launch. So let me go ahead and show you that. Now, again, once you've deposited your Solana, make sure you go through these settings and change it to your liking. Now, what I like to do to make money with this is I go into the Bonkbot token alerts for burned and renounced. So you can see here, it will show you the distributions for the creator, the top 5 and the top 20. So this one I wouldn't get into because these are quite high, right? If they've just launched the token a few minutes ago, and the top 5 have 21%, the top 20 have almost 50%, you can almost guarantee that this is probably going to dump. Now, if you want to check out what's going on, you click on Bird Eye here, and then it will open up in a new tab, and you can see the chart of the token. Now, what I do is if the chart looks really good, or if all of those different percentages look really low, I'll go ahead and click to automatically buy it and snipe that coin, okay? So if you open back up Telegram, if you want to buy this, all you have to do is click on any of these down here, and it will automatically buy it for you. So what I do is I snipe these coins as soon as they launch, because you want to get in early. Time is of the essence with these coins. But again, if you want to just use this to buy different tokens, then all you need to do is you either go into the bot, the Sonic bot here, or just into Bonkbot, paste in the address. You can even paste in the full URL from here, and then you can automatically buy it just by pressing enter on your keyboard, or if you're on your phone, just by sending the message, it will automatically buy it for you. And if you ever want to sell, you can just go to your positions. You can click on one of these positions, let's say this one here. You can click on this and you can actually just sell it, or you can scroll down and you'll be able to sell and manage. So this is a really great way for you to actually make money on Solana by trading these coins. You can also just use it to automatically buy Bonk whenever it dips. So all you would need to do is paste in the token address there, click enter, and it'll buy it for you automatically. So that's how I use Bonkbot, and that's my Bonkbot review. I think Bonkbot is great. I will leave my affiliate link in the description down below if you're willing to use that. Otherwise, just head to bonkbot.io and get yourself set up. Now, if you check on their Twitter, you will see that this guy right here bought L Meow, and he made over 797 Solana. So he turned 5 Solana into over 460 Solana, trading some of these coins, as you can see right here. So this is what happens when you get right into something early. Obviously, a lot of the coins are going to be shit coins and they're not going to do a lot. So that's why it's really important when you're looking. I always go for the burned and renounced. And I always make sure that these distributions down here are low. If you have traded using Bonkbot and you have any suggestions or any tips, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you have any questions, also leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll get back to you as quickly as I possibly can.